How to quickly change your password on the iPhone. Let's go, guys. You're going to start by clicking here on Settings. Now scroll down, keep scrolling because you're going to click on this option, Face ID and Passcode. Go ahead and click. Once you click, it will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter it. After you enter it, you'll come to this page here. On this page, to change your iPhone password, scroll down, keep scrolling, and down here you'll see the option to change your password. You can click on this option. Then it will ask you to use your Face ID, so I'll use mine. In this case here, guys, a security warning popped up. Why? Because the protection against stolen devices is enabled, so there will be a security delay. This delay is necessary precisely to ensure security, to make sure it's not someone else changing your password. So we're going to start this security delay now and wait an hour so we can make the change, okay? You won't be able to turn off or restart your iPhone because if you do that, the waiting time will start over from 0. Don't worry. Once you activate the security delay here, you'll still be able to use your iPhone normally. Then you just wait an hour and then we'll come back here so we can change the iPhone password, okay? So I'm going to tap here to start the security delay and it will already show the waiting time, okay? You can simply click here on Done and that's it. In a little while, we'll come back to change the password. Alright, I waited an hour. Now let's go change the iPhone password, okay? You click on Settings again. Here you scroll down again, go ahead and scroll down, tap on Face ID, now enter your password. We're back to this page, now scroll down again, and now you can tap the Change Password option. You can tap it, use your Face ID, then enter your current password again, and that's it, guys. Here you can enter the new password, okay? As you can see here, by entering your new password, you'll have the next 72 hours. If you want to reset, you can still use your previous password for 72 more hours, okay? For example, if you forget the new password, so you just need to type it here to change it. I don't want to change mine. I'm just showing you how to change your iPhone password, okay? I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.